We're back with another amazing property here on the Medellin Real Estate Investments channel on YouTube. We are in the neighborhood of Provenza. If you know anything about Medellin, you know that Provenza is where all of the nightlife, all of the great restaurants, all of the good cafes are at. So this one's just above it. It's far enough away that you're not going to get any of the noise, but you're close enough that you could probably walk to it or a very, very short cab ride or Uber ride. This is the first bathroom here. This is a 3-bedroom, 3-bath apartment. This is a half bath here for this shared or common area. Living room space. This is a very large dining table. One of the biggest ones I've seen in one of these apartments. But this apartment does it justice because it's big enough. This is the kitchen. Again, recently remodeled. Looks beautiful. It's got the dishwasher there, the stove top. It's got an oven. It's got a large counter. Very inviting to having guests over, cooking together, maybe having a cook do it for you. This is the refrigerator there, and this is the maid's quarters / laundry area, which is very large. A lot of storage space, enough to have a washer and a dryer side by side, or if you want to stack them, which is fine too. I'm going to go back here, and we're going to take a look at one of my favorite parts of the entire apartment here, which is this balcony that wraps around this corner, which is awesome. Look at this view. That's one of the things that you can't deny about Medellin. It has some of the most breathtaking views because of all of the vegetation, the mountains, and obviously the weather makes it look just beautiful. And I like this balcony because it does wrap around like this, but it's big enough to maybe have like a barbecue out here, have maybe table and chairs. It must be beautiful during sunset and or in the mornings, having your coffee. I would definitely enjoy this space myself. I could definitely see myself living in here. And this is one of those apartments that's perfect for anybody that's going to be living here, whether it's part-time or full-time, or you're going to put it up on Airbnb because, again, it's very close to the Provenza promenade where all of the cafes and nightlife happens, right? This is the second balcony, by the way, which is awesome as well. It's got a view to the east of the mountain range here, the valley. It's so beautiful. Okay, we're going to go back inside. The square meters on this one is 140 square meters, which is about 1,500 square feet. So it's pretty large. 3-bedroom, 3-bath. It's got a 24/7 security guard. It's got a sauna. It's got a Turkish bath. It's got a gym. Wow, that was a lot. That's the first. This is the first closet in the first room here. It's got a lot of pillows and comforters. Obviously, they run this as an Airbnb. You can tell. This is the common area in this hallway here, which they use as another TV room. I think you could probably make it into an office or something, but they use it as a TV room. This is the other bathroom. It's got its own closet there. And again, this is that other TV room, which is big enough to have that giant wraparound couch. It's sectional. This is the first full bathroom here. And it's shared for that other room there. And this is the master bedroom with its own bathroom, walk-in closet there. Very large, a lot of space. Again, it's perfect for people that are visiting here. Maybe you're going to be living in it part-time or put it up on Airbnb or both. I would love to live in this, but to be honest, you could probably make some pretty good money putting it up on Airbnb. The asking price for this one in US dollars is $323,000, which makes the price per square meter about $2,300. And if you know anything about the area, the comparables, what prices are going for right now, this is right there on par with everything else. And the price is negotiable. So if you want to make an offer on this one or you want us to work for you, make sure to click on the link in the description or the pinned comment. It'll take you to our form. You fill it out and somebody on our team will get back to you as soon as possible. And if you want to continue seeing some awesome properties, make sure to click on this playlist right here.